Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Okay, welcome to day 3 of our sourdough starter. They've been stored for another 24 hours. I'm not expecting a great deal today. We'll just have a quick look. Oh, look at that. There we go. So yeah, all those bubbles there, that's really good. So that's feeding away there. So what it's doing, that active yeast, that wild yeast is starting to activate and release gases, and that's what all that hole is. The gas is being released by the yeast. Okay. Now yesterday we saw we had quite a bit of a rise there. Today you're going to find, today we don't have much of a rise, which is pretty spot on. One of the things about rises you got to understand, and I'm going to mention a little later on about this, about some of the things to expect this week. You're going to get passive rises, you're going to get false rises, you're going to get some days where there's no rise at all. So we'll take these inside now, we'll give them a bit of a feed, we'll talk a little bit more about what to expect in the next 4 days. Once again, we have everything measured out and ready to go. And as we did in yesterday's feeding, we will be using unbleached flour. I've already measured out 20 grams of flour and water for both jars. So this is the second feeding. You can really start to smell it now. It looks great too. This is what a day 3 starter should actually look like. I'll be discarding about 2/3 again. Remember too, don't throw out your discard. This is perfect for muffins and banana bread, pancakes. Now the second jar. Also, you can continuously add the discard to the previous discards in the same jar, and it will keep in the refrigerator for several weeks. And now the feeding. Make sure it's all well mixed, and again, you're looking for that pasty consistency. Just to give you an idea of what the week is like with a starter. Day 2, there usually is no activity. We had a bit of activity yesterday. That sometimes happens. Uh, if there is, you carry on with the discard and feed. Yeah, if there's no visible activity, I wouldn't bother doing the feed. I'd actually use day 3 as your first feed. And day 3, which we are on now, your starter should start getting a sour smell, which is quite normal. And you'll start seeing the yeast activate. You'll start seeing bubbles. Not necessarily a rise, but you will start to get bubbles. Day 4 to 6, you'll probably during that time get a false rise. That is usually the bacteria that is dying. Carry on with your discard and feeding for that period. And after that, you may get a bit of a lull in growth. You may even get a pungent smell as well, like feet. This is all perfectly normal, okay? So don't feel. A lot of people end up throwing out their starters because they think something's gone wrong, but that is all perfectly normal. And on day 7, you should be getting a consistent rise and bubbling from your starter. Okay. We're going to put these two younglings back into storage, and I shall see you tomorrow for day 4 of the feeding. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.